Hi my little shardies, welcome and welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on this Worlds Within Worlds image. It's the first image in the book. As you can see, I'm going to put the color on the bottom left hand side of the page as I progress through this image. I am going to go ahead and keep the speed on this image. I will pause at each color so you can see what color I'm adding. The whole point of this image was to go ahead and try to make it look as close to the cover as possible. I looked at the cover when I originally got the book and I thought, wow, maybe I can make this work with distress inks. And I had never tried to do distress inks for the entire image in a coloring book before, so I thought this was a pretty good challenge. So again, my main goal was trying to make sure that I got this picture to look as close to the cover as I could. It was really fascinating for me to go back and watch this as I was editing it and see the progression of what I had done with this image. You know, when you're actually working on the image, it takes you a really long time. I think this image took me more than 10 hours. So to watch it back in, 20-minute increments was kind of amazing. I hope that you all can enjoy it as much as I did. I will post my finished image on my Facebook page at Shhh Art Online. If any of you are also working on images from Kerby Rosanes books, I would love to see your work, so please don't hesitate to hop on over to that Facebook page and go ahead and post them there. I will have a link to what I used in the description box below. This is part 1 of 2, so part 2 should be up on my YouTube channel in just a couple days. Make sure you turn on your notifications and hit like and subscribe so you don't miss it. I'm going to go ahead and put some light music on for the rest of the video. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching.